Hello. Um, my name is Yaroslav Jan Glovac. Um, this is my second YouTube video. The first one was in Swedish, which is my first language, you can say. And it was about that demons, or if you are not religious, you could say aliens, save men's beard and mustaches when they aren't aware of it, perhaps when they're sleeping. This is very important. So I thought I make a video also in English about it. So how do you know that? This is logic thinking mostly, but I had some visions about it because I have schizophrenia. So I have seen some visions confirming it. But I have once just once in my life I have saved. I got cuts all over my face. Because it's very difficult to save. I had that foam and the razor blade. All was in order, you could say, but I got anyway cuts everywhere because the face it isn't flat, of course, but it bends and it's very difficult to follow it with a razor blade, and like small bands. You can easily cut them because the blade is very sharp and it's difficult to know exactly when you have to hold it in exactly an angle. This can be even worse because many have birthmarks, moles, some uneven skin that can the skin could not even a mole, but it could grow a little bit uneven, and that's an automatic cut. So as soon you come to a mole and you don't stop, it will cut it, and it doesn't have to be a mole or an even skin because I cut myself everywhere. And I have normal skin, you know. It isn't uneven, and it was impossible. I gave up after that. That was when I was about 18 years old. I saved, but I gave up after that. But then I have many photos of myself being newly, freshly saved, you know, not any beard at all, you know, from when I was younger. And the thing is, I have never saved after that. That was the only one. And I have many photos when I'm saved, you know, sitting with family and stuff. But I haven't saved. It's somebody else saved me. So I think it's demons. Maybe they save us in our sleep, you know, when we don't know, no, and then they mentally block us from thinking about it, you know, because I know that I don't save, and still, you know, I'm freshly saved every day when I was younger, you know, and I don't know how this happened, you know, and I can't think about it why this is so because I'm mentally blocked, you know. You know, aliens, they ain't that strong, you know. I think it's demons, you know, because this is strong mental blocks, you know. And this demonic occupation by material demons, I don't think they're spirit, you know, they're material. It's since the beginning of humanity, you know, you have Egyptians in the temples, not the pyramids. You see them working in the fields and stuff, you know, and they all saved, you know. They all saved. Just the pharaoh, you know, he has a false beard that he puts on, or is it real? But it's going out like this from the beard. So they know about the beard. Just they save all the time, and you know, it's very unpractical, you know, when you have a difficult life, you know, to save every day, and it gets even worse, you know, because many Indians, for example, in in the jungles of Brazil, you know, they have seen humanity, civilization for the first time, you know, and like the anthropologists, they go and they're all freshly saved, you know, and you know they haven't mirror, don't have mirrors, you know, they can maybe see it now in pools of water as they face, and you know they haven't metallurgy, you know, effective metal, you know. So how do they save, you know? Do they save with stones, looking in water pools, you know? And why would they risk cutting themselves in the face? Because this is unnecessary. I have already discussed this on Facebook, and somebody said that there is a god in South America, and he has a beard, you know, he has it. So black people also in Africa, you know, they're also always freshly saved, you know, in this, you know, they have spears, you know, and bows, you know, hunting antelopes, and they saved every day when they have a really tough life, you know, and they save, and why would they do that, you know? Which technology would they use? They don't have mirrors, you know, they don't have mirrors. Do they save each other? Nah, it isn't heard of, you know, but you know, there are many Africans that have beards, you know. It's, you know, I watch very much MTV and stuff, and some artists do have beards, and they are blacks and they have beards, you know. And so apparently black Africans can have beards, but they don't, mostly because they save, you know. And it's really strange. But this is mostly a historical argument that shows that this demonic occupation, you know, is global. So everyone saves in the entire world. I have seen a lot of TV and internet, and everybody saves on the entire global world, even the most primitive of tribes. And this is going back way back in history, because we have like Egyptians, you know. This is like, I don't know, maybe 1,000 years BC, you know, and they are saved on the paintings, you know. They have been saved. So this is global. This is going millennia backwards, you know, and they save us, you know, and this. But the main argument is that the razor blade is so sharp, you know. I use the foam, you know, that you should use, and it's too difficult to know how to angle it. So you cut yourself all the times, because I have tried, and I know that this is so. Also, what was I going to say now? Wait, I take a pause.